Hello there, guys. Today, I'm going to show you what's inside a cardboard box. This is what the cardboard box looks like right now. But let's dig a little bit deeper and see if we can find anything inside. Okay, are you ready to see what's at the bottom layer of cardboard? Let's go. This is ranch. I found ranch at the bottom layer of the cardboard. So this is exactly what is inside your cardboard boxes. A lot of people probably weren't expecting this, but yes, I have now tested and confirmed that ranch is at the bottom layer of cardboard when you cut into it. It's almost like a little pocket, just a pocket of ranch that comes spewing out and makes a big fucking mess. You gotta be really careful, and I don't recommend trying this at home. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like if you did. Have a great day.